Lesson: Mechanisms for voting and decision-making in blockchain. Mechanisms for voting and decision-making in blockchain are essential components of governance frameworks within blockchain ecosystems. These mechanisms ensure that decentralized networks can operate efficiently, make collective decisions, and adapt to changes while maintaining trust and transparency. In blockchain governance, decision-making processes are often codified in smart contracts, and decisions are executed automatically based on predefined rules. This lesson delves into various mechanisms, practical tools, frameworks, and actionable insights that professionals can implement to enhance proficiency in blockchain governance. Blockchain voting mechanisms are typically categorized into on-chain and off-chain voting. On-chain voting involves direct participation through the blockchain, where votes are cast, recorded, and verified on the blockchain itself. This mechanism offers high transparency and security, as all actions are traceable and immutable. One example is the Delegated Proof of Stake system used by blockchain platforms like EOS and TRON. In DPoS, token holders vote for a small group of delegates who are responsible for validating transactions and maintaining the network. This system allows for efficient decision-making as only a limited number of representatives participate in the consensus process. Off-chain voting, on the other hand, occurs outside the blockchain and is often used for community-driven decisions or soft governance issues. Off-chain systems, such as Snapshot, have gained popularity in decentralized autonomous organizations for their low cost and flexibility. Snapshot allows users to vote on proposals using their token holdings without incurring gas fees, making it an attractive option for communities with large numbers of participants. An essential tool for blockchain governance is quadratic voting, which addresses the issue of voter inequality by allowing participants to allocate more votes to issues they care deeply about. In quadratic voting, the cost of each additional vote increases quadratically, making it expensive for any single participant to dominate the decision-making process. This mechanism promotes more equitable and representative outcomes, as individuals can express the intensity of their preferences, leading to decisions that better reflect the collective will. Another innovative approach is token-curated registries, which utilize economic incentives to maintain lists of high-quality information. Participants use tokens to vote on the inclusion or exclusion of items from a registry. The system rewards those who vote in alignment with the majority, creating an economic incentive to curate accurate and valuable information. TCRs have been used in various applications, including maintaining lists of reputable service providers or curating content for decentralized platforms. Practical frameworks for decision-making in blockchain also include the use of multi-signature wallets and decentralized governance platforms like Aragon. Multi-signature wallets require multiple private keys to authorize a transaction, ensuring that several stakeholders must agree before funds can be moved. This mechanism is particularly useful for organizations that need to secure assets collectively and prevent unilateral actions by a single party. Aragon, a decentralized platform built on Ethereum, provides tools for creating and managing DAOs. It allows organizations to implement customized governance structures, including voting mechanisms, financial management, and dispute resolution systems. Aragon's modular design enables organizations to adapt their governance models to suit specific needs, supporting a wide range of use cases from nonprofits to venture capital funds. Implementing effective voting and decision-making mechanisms in blockchain requires careful consideration of the challenges and trade-offs involved. One critical challenge is voter apathy, where stakeholders may not participate in governance processes due to a lack of incentives or understanding. To address this, organizations can implement reward systems to encourage participation, such as offering tokens or other benefits to active voters. Additionally, educational initiatives can help stakeholders understand the importance of their involvement in governance decisions. Scalability is another concern, as networks with large numbers of participants may face difficulties in processing votes efficiently. Layer 2 solutions, such as state channels or roll-ups, can help address scalability issues by enabling off-chain computation and reducing the burden on the main blockchain. These solutions allow for faster and cheaper voting processes while maintaining the security and trust of on-chain mechanisms. Security is paramount in blockchain voting systems, as any vulnerabilities can undermine the integrity of the decision-making process. Ensuring robust security measures, such as cryptographic protocols and audit trails, is essential. Regular audits and security assessments can help identify and mitigate potential risks, safeguarding the interests of all stakeholders involved. Case studies provide valuable insights into the application of these mechanisms and frameworks. One notable example is the MakerDAO, a decentralized lending platform on Ethereum, which uses a combination of on-chain and off-chain voting to govern its protocol. MakerDAO token holders participate in governance by voting on proposals related to the platform's parameters, such as interest rates and collateral types. The system has demonstrated resilience and adaptability, allowing the community to respond to market changes and maintain stability. Another example is the Tezos blockchain, which features an on-chain governance mechanism that allows stakeholders to propose and vote on protocol upgrades. This self-amending feature enables Tezos to evolve without hard forks, reducing the risk of network splits and promoting long-term sustainability. The platform's governance model has successfully facilitated several upgrades, demonstrating the effectiveness of on-chain voting in achieving consensus and implementing changes. In conclusion, mechanisms for voting and decision-making in blockchain are critical to the effective governance of decentralized networks. By leveraging on-chain and off-chain voting systems, quadratic voting, token-curated registries, and decentralized governance platforms like Aragon, organizations can create robust governance frameworks that promote transparency, security, and inclusivity. Addressing challenges such as voter apathy, scalability, and security is essential to ensure the success of these mechanisms in real-world applications. Through careful design and implementation, blockchain ecosystems can harness the power of decentralized decision-making to drive innovation and achieve their objectives.